to take me back. You know he was engineer? You say, how come? Bombay.
Yes, honey.
Yesterday, when we put a fire stone, we put a coal pot on the fire. I tell you to wash your sweet potatoes.
You want me to tell you why?
Why?
Because you don't give me no money.
In 6,680, 17, the St. Columbus and Deck Station. You believe that?
I didn't talk about that.
Okay, take your time. Do you believe that?
Yes, I did.
Yes? Tell me, man, tell me.
On enough station.
Murphy, I get it. How you come? No, how you come? Let me see you.
Whoa!
You have to say for yourself.
Me done with you now.
You know how you come?
How come?
You come good, but you look like a little auntie man. It's funny. What's the come back again? Bumpy,
Yes, honey.
if I lie and die, tell me about Holland. You want to tell me so?
You don't know? Me have a big belly now, you know.
Yeah, that's why you're greedy, because I love Holland, you know that? My mouth is big and my belly is long. So give me what you have for me and let me go long. Hey Charlie, good night.
Hello. We would like the music to go on one more time. And we are asking all of our stations, all of stations, come on up and let's start the music. Let's go. Lily, come on, Lily. Astra, let's start. Come on, station. Everybody, let's go. Come on, boys, come on. Let's show them what we can do in station. What we can do. Step on it, let's go. All stations, let's go.